Hello, I'm Bryan Galloup from Galloup Guitars and the Galloup School of Guitar Building and Repair. And over the years, I've done a lot of voicing in my life, voicing guitars, voicing tops, voicing backs. And my initial voicing hammer was this paint stick, and it still has Sherwin-Williams in the back is what I think it has. And this is a cut-off part to an eraser for cleaning a sanding belt, which, by the way, works really well. If I hold the guitar, you can hear that I can get different hits, and I hold it on a little bit of an angle. And you've seen me use this to tap on my tops. The other hammer, which I think is great, is this eraser that's just glued into a piece of Amazon rosewood. I feel that the density difference, or the stiffness, or the flexibility of this and the stiffness is just enough different from this to give me two different readings. Additionally, like on this hammer, you've seen me flip it around and use the other side to get some different samples of what it might sound like. But this has really become a great tool. And of course, you see me walk over to the FFT analyzer and take a look at it. I can get the air resonance, I can get the top and back frequencies. Sometimes I'll hit here ever so lightly because you get such a great reading, but I also tap on the bridges. And this will give me the top frequency, but it also will give me the air resonance. It gives me the pitch of the back, but also I can hear the pitch of the upper register. One of the cool tools that's popped up lately is this hammer that we've developed under the Acousonix name at the Galloup School. And Cooper's really been instrumental in this. We've worked on it together, but he took it and made the most of it for sure. It's a cool little hammer, and it has the same eraser, so we know what we're dealing with. And it's got a 3D printed casing, a wonderful Amazon rosewood handle. But what it does that's really cool is it has a readout. Whatever you tap, it gives you that primary resonance. So I can tap on this top, and it shows 187 hertz. And that's the same as the FFT analyzer. But the cool thing about this is every one of these is calibrated here at our facility. So every hammer that goes out is true to itself. And this thing has Bluetooth capability, which is going to be able to, in the very near future, collaborate with our Acousonix brand software. But the other cool thing about this is if I tap on the back, I get the reading of a back. If I tap up here, it'll give me the reading of that register, which is 310 hertz. So this is something that I've always wanted to do. Now I can tune these braces and tune these braces in two different stages so that I can regulate the dipole movement of the back. But this is a very cool hammer. And there it is, 223 hertz. The Acousonix hammer, it's available now. Call Galloup Guitars or the Galloup School of Luthery.